Hi guys. Today we are going to analyze Sasken Technologies. So I'm using the TradingView platform for the fundamental and the technical analysis. So we'll start from the left corner. Here we have the monthly chart, and here we have the weekly chart. So we'll start with the fundamental analysis. So see, Sasken basically belongs to technology sector and industries IT, and it has a market cap of 2400 crore, and so it's a kind of small cap and a revenue of 400 crore. And coming to the valuation, so price to sale ratio is around 6, and the price to earning is around 31, and its dividend yield is 3%, so it's kind of giving good dividend year on year. Then we'll do the fundamental analysis. Here we are evaluating it in basis of D, E, and P, which are the 32 factors based 32 parameters based on which we analyze this company. So D basically here stands for debt. Company is debt free, so it has no concern is in serving this debt. So our from the five checkpoints, from five the points of the checklist, its debt score is 100%. Then we come to E is basically here earnings. Basically we look at the growth of sales, EBITDA, which is basically nothing but earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation and amortization, and EPS. So when we compare like long term, this 5 year and 3 year, so the sales growth is -4%, EBITDA is -10%, and EPS is 1%. So company is basically having very low growth parameters. Of course, it is influenced by the current ongoing trajectory of growth. Even on the trailing 12 month, if we see revenue loss of -12% and EPS loss of 28%. So overall, from our 12-point checklist, company scores 0 point in our earnings. Then we come to the consistency part. So here we look for the consistency on the earnings. This is basically our yearly earnings flow. Here we have starting from 2019, 20, 21, 22, 23. So if we look at the growth flow, so company was earning 90 crore, then it dropped to 79 crore, so minus 12.8% loss. Then it jumped up to 115 crore, 128 crore, then it again fell to 99 crore, and currently it is around 77 crore. What we want is a company should be able to have some consistent earnings, so it should grow year on year basis. But in case of Sustain, what we see is there's a drop twice, so it is kind of variable earnings for the company. So consistency score is 3 out of 5, because 3 times it is increasing and 2 times it is falling. Then we measure the profit quality. This is basically the margins, the operating margin, the net profit margin, the return on invested capital, dividend payout ratio, and the operating cash flows. So here company score is decent. It is 8 out of 10. So overall, fundamentally, the score is only 16 out of 32. So it's 50%. And we are seeing some degrowth in the recent years. There's the EPS flow. So EPS, which was around 72 in December 22, has now fallen to 52 in December 23. So it's a loss of 28%. So basically what we are seeing is this company has no debt on its books, so it's good. As positive sides are debt, there's no debt, then there's good profit quality, and negative side is the earnings growth is very poor. And in terms of consistency, it is kind of medium, like out of 5 years, last 5 years, 3 times the earnings have improved and 2 times it has decreased. So fundamentally, I'll not suggest to go for this stock, but if we go consider from technical point of view, so in our depth, DEP we have already covered. Then we are left with T and H. T here means trend. So this is the monthly trend, this is the weekly trend. So in terms of monthly trend, HH here means higher high, HL means higher low, and LL means lower low, and LH means lower high. So company is improving, it is trending strong trend. It is uptrending in terms of monthly chart, and even in our weekly chart it is uptrending. So here we have a case where the company is fundamentally not good, but technically it is very good. Maybe the Maybe the market is anticipating that the earnings will improve going ahead or something. But from my point of view, I think we can wait for some green shoots, some good earnings to appear before we invest. So this was basically my analysis. So, all right. Thank you for listening, and you can take your decisions accordingly. Thank you.